Okay, today guys, I am going to make some homemade lemon pepper chicken patties. Now, this table is a mess, but we're gonna make it work. Okay, let me show you what I'm using. I'm using some canned chicken. It's already been drained. Yeah, there's I'm gonna do grated onion, I'm gonna use some minced garlic, jalapeno pepper, nacho blend shredded cheese, finely shredded. My Eggland's Best with the fortified vitamins. Vitamin D, E, B2, B12, B5. I know you guys are tired of hearing me say this, but I'm just so excited about being able to find eggs that are fortified with vitamins. So these are my go-to eggs, guys. Lemon pepper seasoning. And my all-time favorite garlic romano seasoning from Trade East. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, guys. Forgot the grater. Now, guys, this meal is so easy and so fast. You can actually come home from work and have it finished in less than a half an hour. So I'm using the potato masher, and I'm going to mash this chicken up here. This is diced chicken from the can. All I did was my husband opened it and strained it. So it makes it so much easier. And we're gonna see, I'm using 3 cans of chicken. It don't matter the brand, whatever brand you guys don't mind using. You can choose whatever brand you want. So, okay. So, kind of dicing this up a little bit. This is what it looks like. And all right, now I'm gonna use this onion, just a regular yellow onion, and I'm going to grate some in here. This is one of those cheap graters, guys. I know I gotta be careful so I don't. Oh, jeez. Maybe I better use the bigger one, bigger side. Yeah, that's better. And since the chicken is already done because it's canned chicken, it won't take that long to cook. So we're just going to grate this onion up the best I can here. I hope I don't get my fingers. Sometimes I'm not as careful as I should be, and that is sad. Okay. Okay. And then after I finish making the patties, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with them. Oh, look guys, that is a little bit easier. I'm telling you, onion juice and getting in your eyes is no joke. All right, I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead because I don't want to hurt myself. Okay. Oh gosh, here we go. All right, so this is what it's looking like, guys. I got the onions in there, and I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic here. A little bit of garlic. Okay. And like I showed you earlier, I'm going to add a little bit of the garlic Romano seasoning. This is going to give it some flavor. I don't need to add that much. Not going to overdo it. And I am going to add a little bit of this jalapeno nacho blend cheese. Just a little. Okay. I don't know. Maybe a little more, huh? Just for good measures. And now I'm going to do the first mix. I'm going to mix this together. Mix it together. Like I said, I'm using 3 cans. I don't know how many patties I'm going to get out of here, but we're going to see. Okay, so now I'm going to add 2 eggs. Oh gosh. 2 eggs. Yeah, it's a mess, guys. I can normally crack eggs better than this, but this is how I'm feeling today. So this is what you guys are going to get today from me. Okay. Oh, wow. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna mix this up together. Give it a good mix. I don't know, I may need to add one more egg. What do you think? Should I add one more egg, or do you think this is gonna be okay? Well, I guess it'll be okay. All right. Yeah, I think it's gonna be okay. Okay. Okay, this is what it looks like, guys. All right, so I'll be back. Can you see that? Yeah, you can. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, guys. So I formed them into a ball and then flattened them into a patty. I forgot to show you me putting in the lemon pepper seasoning in the mix. I'm sorry, guys. I did it after the camera was off. But this is what it looks like. There was only enough to make 4 patties, which is okay. I'll cook something again tomorrow. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I just flipped them over. This is what they look like. Don't they look delicious, guys? Oh, I wish you could smell them. They're so good. So now I am going to add some sliced cheese. I'll show you what I'm going to use. I'm going to use some ghost pepper cheese slices and let them melt a little bit on the top. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with them. I'll be back. This is what they look like with the cheese slices on there. Don't that look deliciousness, guys? Okay, I'll be back. Okay, guys. Here is what they look like. Look at that. Don't they look deliciousness, guys? Now, I'm going to put these 2 sandwiches together. I got bacon I'm going to add to it. And a couple of eggs. So let's see. Gonna put this on here like this. And like this. I'm making my sandwiches for my hubby. We're gonna put some eggs on here. And some bacon. Look at this. Bacon! Bacon, bacon, bacon! Oh, this is for me. Oh, I love bacon. Look at that, guys. Don't that look deliciousness? Look at that. Let's see if I can get a better picture for you without. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. The shadows. But don't that look deliciousness? Now, the only thing we have to add is fries. Now, tell me that's not enough to feed a hungry belly. From my family to yours, happy eating.